Hello viewers, I am Mr. Adebanjo and I want to gracefully welcome you to today's lesson. In the previous video, we talked about triangle, we talked about what constitutes a triangle, what make up a triangle. We also talked about the properties of triangles and we also talked about the classification of triangle that we have. But in this video, we are going to be talking about some theorems that we have in triangles. Some theorems we have in triangle. We're going to be talking about them. Of course, if you have been following my video on plane geometry, we have talked about what theorems are and how we need to know them. Theorems are just like a fact, and they are just like a fact, a proven fact in mathematics, and we use them to solve problems. And we have some theorems in triangles as well that we are meant to know, and how we can use them to solve problems as well. The first theorem you are going to talk about in triangle is the one you are seeing on the screen right now. The first theorem in triangle is the theorem says that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Now, of course, you know that triangles has three angles. In this triangle, now you're having angle A here, angle B here, and angle C here. What the theorem is saying is that the addition of these three angles will give us 180 degrees. So it means that when I have two angles given to me, let's say I'm giving angle A as 60 degrees and I'm giving angle C as, let's say, 40 degrees. That means I can find angle B. This third angle, I can find it using this theorem. So the addition of the three of them must give me 180 degrees according to this theorem. Then you can find this angle by adding this one we are giving and this one we are giving together and remove it from 180 degrees to give us this angle B. So the first theorem we learn in triangle is that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to what 180 degrees. And that's what we are having here, that angle A plus angle B plus angle C will give us 180 degrees. Then the second theorem we have to learn in triangle also says that the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. The exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles of that triangle. The keyword we have here are exterior angle and interior angles. What are exterior angles? What are interior angles? Interior angles are angles inside any plane shape, any shape you can think about. If the angle is inside that shape, that means that those angles are called interior angles. Like this angle A here is inside this triangle. You can see that this is a triangle, though we are having this line extended outside. This line extended outside as well. This line extended outside. But if you look at this from here to here, here like this to here, like this, and like this, that is a triangle, as you can see. So this angle A that is inside the triangle and angle B inside and angle C inside are called interior angle. Just like interior, interior means inside. So interior angles, some the angles inside the plane, these triangles are called interior angles. Why this angle E, angle F, and angle D are outside the triangle? They are outside the triangle. This angle F is outside the triangle. Angle E also angle E also is outside the triangle. So all these angle E, angle D, and angle F are called exterior angle. They are called exterior angle of that triangle. So what the theorem is saying is that the exterior angle here, this angle E, which is exterior angle of to this triangle, is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Sum of the two, you have to add those two interior angles together, but the one opposite it. If I should ask you where's the opposite interior angle to this angle A, angle E rather, opposite interior angle to this exterior angle E, some of you will say it's angle A, which is wrong. It is this angle B and angle C. They are the two opposite interior angle to this exterior angle E. So it means that our angle E here will be equal to angle B plus angle C. And that's what we are having here, that angle E is equal to B plus C. Also, if I should ask you this stereo angle D here, where are the two opposite interior angles? Angle A and angle what? Angle C. So it means that our angle D here is going to be equal to what? Angle A plus C. Also, exterior angle F. Where are the two opposite interior angle? The angle A and angle what? Angle B. So it means angle F here is going to be equal to what? Angle A plus B. Don't forget that the exterior angle of a triangle, not of any other shape, but of a triangle, is equals to the sum of the two opposite interior angle of that triangle. That's the second theorem. The third theorem says that the base angles of isosceles triangles are equal. The base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. The base angles of an isosceles triangles are equal. In the last video we had, we talked about the classification of triangle based on the sides that are equal. And we said that if two sides of a triangle are equal, that triangle is called an isosceles triangle. So if you can see, this triangle is an isosceles triangle because this side is equal to this side. This side here is equal to this side. That's why you're having this side marked and this side also marked. Then what the theorem is saying is that the base angle of that isosceles triangle are equal. The question is, where are the base angles of an isosceles triangle? We have already ascertained that this is an isosceles triangle, no doubt about that, because two sides are equal. Then where are the two base angles? It is the two sides that are equal that will tell you where the base angles are. The two sides that are equal will direct you and show you where the base angles are. If this side is equal to this side as it is marked, that means this angle B and angle A are the what? The base angles of that isosceles triangle. Angle this side is equal to this side as it has been marked already. That means this angle A, angle B, and angle A, they are the two base angles of this isosceles triangle. So that means they are equal. Angle A is equal to what? Angle B, according to this theorem. Let's look at this figure 2 that we are having here. We are given that this side is equal to this side. That means this is an isosceles triangle 1. Then we are the two base angles. If this side is equal to this side, that means this angle E and angle G are the two base angles, and that means they are what? They are equal. So in this video now, we have talked about the first theorem, which says that the sum of angles in triangles is equal to 180 degrees. Then the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles of that triangles. And we are talking about that the base angle of isosceles triangles are equal. Only isosceles triangle, then not any other type of triangle that we have, but isosceles triangle, that the base angle of isosceles triangles are equal. So if you understand this last theorem now, I want you to help me to solve this question. You have to name the two angles that are equal in this triangle below, given that this side is equal to this side as it has been marked. This angle here is angle X, this angle here is angle Z, and this angle Y. You have to tell us the two angles that are equal, and you tell us the reason why they are equal. If you know it, please write the answer in the comment section of this video, and I will respond to it. So that's the end of this video. In the next video, we are going to be solving some question on triangle using the theorem we have discussed now. And please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed to the channels. Share the videos, like it, and comment on it. And I will see as you do so. May the good Lord bless you. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for listening.